front of me is Nubia Z60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Then tap on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear one instead. Tap on voice typing and use gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on now visible microphone. If you never used it before, hit while using the app in the pop-up. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to switch it off, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!